making chocolate chip pancakes, and here's the mise en place, all that you'll need for it. Here's 1 cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 3/4 cup of milk, doesn't matter what kind of milk you use, 1/4 a cup of butter, and a half a cup of chocolate chips. We're going to combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt.
In this bowl, we're gonna add egg, 1 egg, milk, and butter, melted butter. Okay, mix it all together. And now we add the egg mixture into the dry